I've had plenty of people reach out to me on Instagram asking me to do a recipe video for the pastas that I've been making lately. After the last 2 days of riding, I decided to make pasta tonight because it really just satisfies my needs. I boiled 9 ounces of organic noodles. I set a timer for 8 minutes so that the last 3 minutes I could dump in the 3.5 ounces of shiitake mushrooms that I chopped up, followed by 1 whole cup of organic peas. Once the timer goes off, I pull off the lid, stir, and strain the noodles. Once the noodles are strained, I place everything back into the pot. First I add soy sauce, add as much as you like. Then I add pepper, some turmeric, my favorite, habanero sauce. After I get all that in there, I mix it up really well and get all the noodles and ingredients nice and moist, and add the final and most important ingredient, nutritional yeast. Once it's all mixed up, it's ready to be plated, and enjoy. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thanks for watching.